Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to crop a video in using Media3 transformer in Flutter Android. So this will be only Android specific video. So as you can see, I have this video playing. So this is a normal video, original video. I haven't applied any crop effect to this. So this video is loaded from a network URL. Okay, so I'll just pause this video for now. Now I will quickly open Logcat, and here I'll just clear this, and I'll just enter progress. Okay, I'll clear this again, and I'll click on the convert button. Now here you can see that I'm applying some crop. I'm cropping this video. I have hard coded those values. So here you can see this was the original video, and in the second video the crop effect has been applied. Also inside the Logcat, here you can see the first value which you see 1 and 2, these are actual progress state, and the second value which you see 0, 5, 15, this is value of how much progress has happened. So in case if you want to display a progress bar, if it is an extremely long video, the conversion might take a little bit of time, but at the end, as you can see, the progress state becomes 0. That means the conversion has happened, and this doesn't reach till 100. The reason is, firstly, this video is very short. Secondly, I have added 500 milliseconds delay. So even this doesn't reach till 100. With the help of the progress state, you can know that the conversion has finished. Alright. Also, there is one more method called on completed and on error. With the help of that also, you can know the conversion has completed or failed. But anyways, I'll show you that later on. Now suppose some of you might say that I don't want this conversion to take place. As soon as a video is played from a network URL, I want the crop effect to apply. So you can do that as well. For this, you just have to uncomment this particular line of code. I'll rerun the app, and I will also quickly show you. I'm applying this crop effect. Okay, so this is how I'm cropping the video. I have hard coded this for now, but in case if you want a tutorial on how to allowing the user to select what needs to be cropped in a video, do let me know as well. I'll make a tutorial about that as well. So now as soon as the video starts playing, the crop effect has been applied, and it will play the cropped video. So here you can see this is the cropped video. It is not playing the original video. Okay, also there is this open video picker without permission button. If I click on it, it will open the video picker, so you can pick a video which is stored locally. Also, one more thing, before I pick a video, I'll just dismiss this. I will rerun it again. On click of convert, when I clicked the convert button in the first demo, the video is also saved to external storage, the cropped video. Okay, and then it does not modify your original video. It creates a new video, it applies the crop effect, and then in the second video player it starts playing that. Now I'll click on open video picker without permission. I'll select this 15-second long video, and here you can see that it has applied the crop effect to this particular video as well, because this is not commented, right? So this particular part. So in case if you don't want, I could just uncomment it. You can also click on the convert button, but you will see the same output. That's why I'm not clicking on the convert button. But yeah, it's possible to pick video from your video picker as well. So I'll just dismiss this for now. So here you can see, now I will quickly click on open video picker without permission. I'll select the 15-second long video, and I'll click. So here is the original video. I'll just pause it for now, and I'll click on convert. So hopefully the conversion should be pretty quick, as this is only 50. Again, this video, so here you can see this is the cropped video. So yeah, here you can see the output. Now yeah, so again, this video, converted video, is also saved to external storage. So if I click on again open video picker without permission, here you can see the video. This is the cropped video, the first one. So yeah, that's it for the output part. Let's see how to do this inside Flutter. So firstly, I have created a Flutter application, and I have refactored this home page widget inside main.dart. So it is a stateful widget. the first output which I show was for a video which is stored on network URL, right? So this is that one. Then I have created a method channel. I have also created one button for picking video from user's local device. So this is what it is, and here we are invoking that method. And once user selects a video, we get that video URL. We get the URL over here, and we just assign it to this variable. And here I have created this my video view custom widget. So once you have the URL, then only this would get displayed, and here I am occupying the almost entire width and height. Then for this custom widget of my video view, I have created a stateful widget. It takes a video URL. I have created a creation params. I have created one key inside the, so here we are overriding the init method, and as you can see, we are creating this key so that every time you select a new URL, your widget should get updated. Here we pass our video URL to native side, and here we also call this did update widget. So this gets called every time you pick a new video. And inside the build method, if it is platform Android, then only we display our Android view. Here we pass this identifier. You will have to use the same identifier on native Android side as well. And here with the help of this, we are passing that video URL. Next, you will have to open the Android folder, this Android folder inside Android Studio. I have already done that. Firstly, go to settings.gradle, update the Kotlin version to at least 1.9.20. Then go to build.gradle. This build.gradle, and here you will have to add this dependency. So Media3 exoplayer, Media3 UI, common, effect, exoplayer HLS, and transformer. Then just click on sync now. You might be seeing a sync now at the top. Click on it. It will download all the dependencies for you. Then go to android manifest.xml, and here you will have to add internet permission. And for older Android devices, we require this read write external storage permission if you are clicking on the convert button. For newer Android device, we don't require that. Then inside main activity, firstly, these are all the imports. Then I have created a method channel result of mutable list, and here I have created a mutable list for read write external storage permission. So once this permission thing is called, if permission has been granted, then we just call the launch new video picker, otherwise we display a toast message. Again, this permission is not required for newer Android device. And here once the user picks a video, we send it back to Flutter side. This is the video code for picking video. So here you can see pick visual media.video only. Then we override this particular method and we register our video view. Then we also register our method channel, and once this particular method is called, we just call this launch new video picker. Okay, next you will have to create this my video view factory. Again, this is boilerplate code which you have to write every time you want to embed a native Android view inside your Flutter project. So just copy paste it, and it references another Kotlin file called my video view. So I have created another Kotlin file called my video view. So I'll scroll up, and these are all the imports. So I'll simply scroll down, just copy paste this imports. Okay, sorry. Then here we are creating this my video view, this lifecycle owner, because we want to make use of Kotlin coroutine. So this is the boilerplate code for it. Here we are also extending transformer.listener, which will help us to override two methods, on completed and on error, which I will show you shortly at the very end. And here this is our platform view. Then this handler and progress holder is for tracking the state of how much conversion has happened. Here we take a linear layout, then two exo players, two player views, one button and one progress bar. And this is our file name variable. Playback position is 0, play when ready is true. Here is our transformer, file path, file is null. Then we take a video URL. Here is our array list of effect, and here I am using this crop effect. So I'm creating this crop effect, then adding this crop effect to this array list of effect, then creating layout params, assigning it to our linear layout. Then I create a player view as well, and I assign that layout params of it to our input player view. So here we are setting the next forward. This is boilerplate code for a player view, so just copy paste it. Then we create our button for conversion. and add one click listener. Output player view same as input player view, only it is invisible at the default at the very start. Then this is for our progress bar. Then once we get the video URL from Flutter side, we assign it to this variable and initialize our input player. So this is how we initialize our input player. If you want the video effect of crop effect to be applied, just uncomment this particular line, otherwise keep it commented. This is how we initialize our output player. Here we release our player, and here we dispose our player. Then we create setup transformer. So if the output player is playing some video, we just stop it. Then we call transform video. So first we show progress bar. Here we create our transformer. Here we create our input media item. Then we create our edited media items to which we've passed our effect. We create our external file and start the transformation. And here we track the progress state. So inside the logcat which I shown you, so this is the progress state of 0, 1 and 2, and this is the actual progress which goes from 0 to 100. So this one. Okay, then here we create our external file. Again, I have copy pasted this code from Stack Overflow, and to save file to external storage, this is the code. Again, I have copy pasted this code from Stack Overflow. So I'll simply scroll through this. You can just copy paste this code. Okay, then given that we were extending transformer.listener, we are overriding onCompleted and onError. So inside onCompleted, we make our output player visible, initialize it, save file to external storage, and hide our progress bar. In case of onError, we hide output player and progress bar and just display a toast message. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.